Is Facebook asking you to confirm your identity again and again, and you can't get past the review page? Maybe your ID is rejected, or the code never comes, or Facebook says, "We can't verify your identity right now." Don't worry. Today, I'll show you every working solution to fix this problem in 2025. Welcome back to MendIt Tech, your go-to place for fixing tech issues the smart way. Before we fix it, you must understand why Facebook shows the Confirm Your Identity screen. These triggers cause it. Unusual login location, VPN or proxy active, new device login, password changed recently. Facebook suspects your account is at risk. Your recovery info is outdated. Name or profile mismatch with previous records. Once you know the cause, solving it becomes much easier. Method 1. Disable VPN plus login from a known device. Facebook system flags VPN and unknown devices. So first do this. Turn off VPN or proxy. Switch to your home Wi-Fi. Use the phone or laptop you used before. Clear browser cookies. Then open facebook.com/login and try again. 80% users get access after this simple step. Method 2. Identity verification through trusted contacts. If you still see the identity page, try the trusted contacts method. Go to the Find Your Account page. 2. Enter your email or number. 3. Choose Need More Help. 4. Select Reveal My Trusted Contacts. 5. Facebook gives a link. 6. Send that link to your trusted friend. 7. They give you a code. 8. Enter that code and recover your account. This method works when Facebook blocks your login attempts. Method 3. Uploading government ID. If Facebook asks for an ID, here is how to make sure it gets accepted. Follow these rules. Use original clear photo. No blur, no shadows. Capture the ID flat on a table. Do not edit or crop too much. Use back camera, not selfie. Make sure name and DOB match your Facebook info. If not matched, Facebook automatically rejects. Accepted IDs include national ID card, driving license, passport, student ID in some regions. After uploading, don't keep submitting again and again. Wait 24 to 48 hours. If approved, you get access instantly. Method 4. Confirm through your phone number. Many users don't receive SMS codes. Here's how to fix that. Remove any SMS blocking apps. Restart your phone. Enable roaming if using a secondary SIM. Try send code via email if SMS fails. If you recently changed your number, use your old SIM. Update phone time settings to automatic. Then try again. Usually the verification code arrives. Method 5. Using the Facebook support inbox link. If your account is stuck in review, use this official link, facebook.com/support inbox. Here you can check if Facebook asked for any documents, upload missing details, see any errors related to your verification. Sometimes you'll find your account is waiting for a small confirmation. Method 6. Reset account using the alternate login page. This method works for identity loops. 1. Open browser, incognito mode. 2. Go to facebook.com/login/identify. 3. Enter email or number. 4. Select your account. 5. Choose Try Another Way. 6. Select any available method. Email code, phone code, upload ID, recent password. This bypasses the stuck verification page. Method 7. Appeal form for hard cases. If nothing works, use the manual review form. facebook.com/help.contact/2604-9603-9707. Here's what to submit. Your full name, matching ID. Email you want Facebook to contact you on. A short explanation. My account is locked in confirm identity loop. Please review my identity and restore access. Upload clear picture of your ID. This works for extreme cases where verification fails repeatedly. Best practices to prevent future lockouts. To make sure you never face this again, add 2 emails, add 2 phone numbers, add trusted contacts. Upload ID inside settings. Enable 2-factor authentication. Avoid changing SIM or device too often. Turn off VPN while logging in. Keep the same name as your ID. Following these steps keeps your account safe and prevents false identity checks. If this solved your problem, hit like and share it with someone who's stuck on the same screen. And subscribe to MendIt Tech for more smart solutions.